Hi guys, my name's Tracy. This arrived this morning and I haven't had a chance to open it yet, so what I thought I would do is pop on, have a look at what's inside it. So hi Shelley, hi Marion. So welcome everyone. I just thought I'd pop on. I wasn't sure whether anyone would pop on with me, but I was so excited to open this. So I worked all day and I had to do some exercises this afternoon, or exercise with my husband this afternoon. So we've done that. I've had a shower. My face is bright red, so I'm not coming on camera today, and I'm in my pajamas, so definitely not coming on camera tonight. But yeah, so excited that the Onstage Swag Bag came, and I thought I might just quickly open it with anyone that popped on while I was doing it. This was actually not supposed to arrive till the 16th, so it's been sitting down in Melbourne for a good week, but they didn't think it was going to arrive till the 16th, so exciting that it came a little bit earlier. Hi everyone, happy to have you here tonight. So over the weekend I attended Onstage at Home, so that's Stampin' Up's Onstage at Home, which was very, very exciting. It was Thursday, Friday and Saturday. I didn't get to see everything. I'm waiting for the replay because I did work Thursday and Friday, and I had to go to Maryborough on Saturday, so I did miss some of that on Saturday, but I'm able to watch it all later on, so which is really, really great. So it comes in this huge box, which is beautiful. I can see that we can use some other uses for this box, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Now you may already have seen other demonstrators open their box. So there is a nice little note there from Sarah, who's the CEO of Stampin' Up, so that's beautiful. And this bag, oh my goodness, this is going to be really useful. So it's actually quite a big bag, and it opens up down the bottom. Now a lot of the Stampin' Up demonstrators that I've seen all open it up have said that our paper trimmer fits in underneath, so that's really exciting. So I'm just going to open up. There's a zipper on the bottom. It's just really beautiful colours. I love brights, and you can see Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, Melon Mambo, and this blue. Blue's my favourite colour, so that's really exciting as well. So we open up the base of the bag, and there's a little, it's like a waterproof liner as well. So you could take this to the beach too. Put your wet towel in the bottom maybe. Hi Pam. Hi Bethany. So I'm just going to close that up and let's see all the goodies inside, because that's what I'm really interested in seeing. This is a very well made bag. It feels like it's a bit waterproof as well, so if you live near the beach or go to the pool a lot, this would probably do a really great job. So there's a really nice Stampin' Up logo on the front as well. Beautiful. Oh, and look at that. So bright and cheery and fun. I'm so excited. So the pins, these were the pins that I was actually really hoping for. So the kangaroo and the strawberry. Super cute. Very happy, very, very happy. The stamp set is Enjoy the Moment. So this is going to be available 1st of December for Stampin' Up demonstrators who can do a pre-order, or if you're a customer, I think it's the 1st of January or early January. So this is really pretty. Now these are all seed pods, and at the Onstage, one of the presenters actually named all the seed pods. They were a mouthful, so there's no way I can remember any of those, but this is so cute. I was really happy about this stamp set. Let's see what else is in here. I believe this is a rainbow pen. Oh, really nice bright colours. Let's get a piece of paper. Oh, and it writes really well as well. very nice and bright, almost like a highlighter. Cute. And I think that's all that's in that one. And we have some notebooks here as well. Just looking for my scissors to open it up. So there's 3 sets of notepads. Now the new catalogue is amazing. This is, I think it is the best catalogue they've had in a really long time, because every time I open a new catalogue, there'll be some products in there that I think, oh yeah, that's really exciting, but there'll be some that I'm just like, I don't know. And it's usually not until you see demonstrators show the product and how they've created different ideas that you really get hooked with the stamp sets. But I will admit, there is so many stamp sets in there that I want, so it's going to be really scary. So there's dots in this little one, which are great for the purse. A bit bigger with the lines. And this is a bit of a sneak peek to one of the designer series papers. And then we have another one with some grids. So really great if you were doing some card designs as well. So 3 beautiful little notebooks and also some stickers. So big sneak peek here. There are, and I think I may have already shown you the Dragonfly, I have shown you the Dragonfly bundle that we were able to get before on stage. But there's also a stamp set with some lips in it, stamp set with flamingos and ice creams, and also there's a fruit, there's actually a couple of fruit stamp sets. So one is in the celebration, so a free item, and then one's also in the mini catalogue as well. So, oh, and there's butterflies as well, because what's a catalogue without butterflies? So really cute little stickers there. And oh wow, I was expecting this grid paper to be, normally we get just a normal paper, grid paper. This actually feels, oh no, it is paper, but there's just a few of them. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheets of really pretty grid paper. Lovely. And a really gorgeous box. I'll have to think about what I'm going to do with this box. So yeah, some little goodies that I picked up. I also got a Stampin' Up order this morning. So let me just show you one of the things that I got in my order, which is the paper pumpkin kit. Now I haven't opened this one up. So I'm actually doing a special for this month. On the 90th of November, which I believe is a Monday night, I'm doing a class online, a Facebook Live with this kit. For everyone who purchases this paper pumpkin kit through me, I'm actually going to be sending you 3 additional card kits on top of your kit. So, and I'll be popping those cards together online on the 30th. So you still have time if you would like to pop onto my online store, order your paper pumpkin kit, get it sent to your door, and I'll send you through the 3 additional card kits to your mailbox. So, and you'll be able to join in on the 30th as well. So this is a Christmas card kit, and I'm so excited. This is the second paper pumpkin kit that they've had here in the South Pacific this year. So we've just had the Box of Sunshine, which was Sarah's box that she designed, and then we've got a Christmas one. This kit is going to be good for a gift or anyone who loves craft. So everything is included inside the box. The only thing you're going to need is an acrylic block for the stamp set. So it has a stamp set in it. It has dimensionals. It has, I think, glue dots in there as well. So everything that you need. So if you would like to purchase that one and join in the fun on the 30th of November with me with additional cards, you can certainly do that. So head over to my online store and just use the hostess code for this month as well. Okay, I think that's everything. I'm not going to show my face because, like I said, I'm in my pajamas and I've got a really red face from exercising. So That's all I wanted to quickly show you. So hopefully you've enjoyed this little bit of a sneak peek. I'm really excited to show my, I've done a pre-order from the new mini catalogue, which hopefully will be coming my way in the next week or so, and I'll be looking forward to showing that to you as well. Okay everyone, have a wonderful night and I'll see you all soon. Okay, bye bye.